Hi guys, I'm Nick from the Wet Seat, here at the 2017 Sydney Four-Wheel Drive and Adventure Show. Just like Mr 4x4, the Wet Seat is also celebrating 10 years in 2017. And what better way to do it than to fit Rusty up with a pair of premium wet seat covers to the Recaro seats. The fit is like a second skin. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to fit a wet seat cover. We're going to fit the base covers on. There's a two-part base in this Recaro seat. We'll first fit the extendable lumbar support, rolling the seat cover over. We're going to make sure that we fasten and feed the straps on the underside of the seat. We'll fasten the seat cover Velcro on the underside out of view and repeat the same steps for all straps. Generally speaking, there's two straps going north-south and one going east-west. Backrest, same thing. Turn it inside out, align it to the backrest and roll it down and secure on the underside. No different for the headrest. Turn them inside out, roll them down, and guess what? You're done. That's how easy it is to fit wet seat covers to bucket seats. Thank you very much for watching. For more information, please visit our website www.thewetseat.com.